Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. So we just saw uh, the crypto market slightly just pump. Bitcoin just pumped up to like 43,200 or something. And I just recently saw different altcoins pump like LCX, Jasmy. So yeah, it looked like the we could possibly see a crypto pump this weekend if Bitcoin could show strength. If maybe Bitcoin could pump to around 40, around 45, 46K. Let's see. Let's definitely see what happens. Okay, just pull back a little bit. It was just at 43,200 or something. Ethereum just still at 2305. Ethereum is not really moving that much, but let's see what Bitcoin does. Uh, XRP right there is at 51. Internet Computer 1306. Yeah, we could definitely see a crypto pump this weekend. Like I said, if Bitcoin can show strength. But anyways, let's talk about Jasmy. Jasmy finally got out of the 40s. It's at 55% of a penny as of right now. Let's look at the 1 month chart. It's down 5% in the 1 month. Um, see here, the 1 years down 0.11% in the 1 year. The all-time chart still down 99.55% in the all-time charts. So it's still way oversold. Jasmine's been way oversold for a long time. And the team, I guess they're working on the whole DPAN and Web3. They're working on the Jasmine chain layer too. Let's see if they all the promises they're making. Let's see what happens in the next couple of months because the Bitcoin halving is coming up in about just over 2 months. So let's see what happens once they have their final product. See when they gotta get out of it. It hasn't been confirmed about the innovation zone either, about the whole Binance innovation zone. So let's see when it gets out of there. Because I'm thinking about if it's finally announced they're officially out of the Binance Innovation Zone. I believe from there Jasmy can possibly pump to 1 cent if it gets out of that innovation zone, but we just don't know when. Jasmy, the last major pump, it went up to 75% of a penny, then it came all the way back down to 45% of a penny, and that was kind of frustrating for a lot of people, including me. You know, who's been in this play and dollar cost averaging and loading our bags for a very long time now. But anyways, let's see what happens. Uh, right now we're at 56% of a penny. We was just at 50% of a penny, and it just all of a sudden pumped. Well, the whole crypto market, a lot of cryptos just recently pumped literally over the last like 20, 30 minutes. But let's see what happens um, over the next 24 hours with this market. Alrighty. So yeah, let's take a look at the volume. Currently at a dollar, excuse me, at 123% volume positive. That's a good sign. The market cap now is at 276 million dollar market cap. So we definitely got a big upside. There's definitely going to be a big upside to the market cap. Like I said, Jasmine's way oversold, way undervalued. We should have honestly, we should have been at least at 1 cent long time ago. But we know what happened. Market manipulation, guys, market manipulation. And then they're still working on the whole Jasmine chain. They're doing DPIN and all that. They're not done yet. That's the truth of the matter. Is most likely, hopefully, to be done by, like I said, by March, late March. Because by the time the Bitcoin halving come, hopefully the team get it together. But like I said, I do. Well, I'm telling you what I'm doing in crypto now. I'm never marrying a play. Never marrying a play. It's all this is all business. I get into play. If I see it's not performing, hey, I'm out. That's how I do it. I don't marry a play. People can do what they want though. But yeah, but Jasmine, I believe it is. A lot of people, is saying 50 cents to a dollar by the end of 2024, and I believe that's possible, especially after the Bitcoin halving. A lot of these cryptos are going to start going parabolic after the Bitcoin halving. So that's why everybody say, load your bags now and keep accumulating. But yeah, um, but that's what's going on. Let me see here. Anything I leave out here? So, there's been speculation about Q4 lockup, how they're going to do the lockup, because, like I said, 98% of the circulation is already in circulation, right? So like I said, we're still not 100% sure how they're going to do the lockup. Are they going to buy the tokens that's in circulation, buy back their own tokens in circulation, or are institutions? I guess what we do know, Japan, in a few months back, I even talked about it on my channel. I think a Japanese bank is bought up some Jasmines. We do know that, so that could be part of the lockup somehow. So you got to think, if a bank in Japan is buying Jasmine, um, if a bank in Japan is buying Jasmine, we got to have. There is a great possibility that a bank is going to pick up at least 10 billion, at least 5 to 10 billion of Jasmine. I'm assuming you're talking about a bank, so yeah, that could be help out the lockup as well. But we're not 100% sure. Most likely, they're probably gonna buy their own tokens back to help lock up the circulation, since it says 98% of the supply is already in circulation, right? That's just what I'm assuming. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm assuming. But I think when it's all said and done, between 30 to 35 billion is supposed to somehow get locked up. We knew that from the beginning. I've been covering Jasmine for about a year and a half. So yeah, as far as the team, I guess they're not going to tell us everything what they're going to do to the community because they're in Japan. It's kind of, I think it's a culture difference as well, the way they communicate with us. It's also a culture thing. But yeah, it's just something, Jasmine's just been a play that it's been a work in progress for like a year and a half now. It's been a work in progress, but we're always, hearing new things, partnerships is going on. But I just hope it all, um, I just hope the price one day can reflect it, you know. Um, but yeah, but one thing I do know about Jasmine, it's very connected to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, Jasmine will go up. When Bitcoin goes down, Jasmine goes down. I do know that. So uh, make sure you're also paying attention to Bitcoin as well, because I know when Bitcoin takes a dip, Jasmine's going to take a harder dip. That's one thing. That's the pattern that I noticed about Jasmine. That is one pattern that I do know. But when Bitcoin is looking strong, it looked like Bitcoin is gonna go on a run. Then Jasmine most likely is gonna go on a run as well. So I do see Jasmine being worth um, a lot more than what it is, yeah, especially after the Bitcoin halving in April. So yeah. Uh, I don't know, or I could be wrong. Jasmine could just go on a parabolic run before the Bitcoin halving. We don't know. It could possibly hit a penny before we get to the Bitcoin halving. But let's just pay close attention, because we're at the time now. We're in February. A lot of big stuff is going to happen in between now, February, and March. So yeah, January went by so fast. It's like January just literally just came and went. January went by so fast. So yeah. I just want to say, yep, that's my update on Jasmine. Uh, the volume is looking pretty good as of right now. I'm looking at that volume, 127% volume. So, yeah, maybe it's getting ready for a pump now. Who knows? But anyways, thanks for tuning in. That's my tip today. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, and also if you want to become a channel member, if you want to know what I'm holding in my portfolio, go ahead and be a member of the channel. Go ahead and get you can just get the cheapest paid subscription. I'm going to start making private videos for channel members. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, thanks everybody for tuning in. Let's get ready for this crypto bull run. We're still at the beginning stages of the bull run, and yeah, I'm ready to make this life changer money in 2024. But anyways, that's my take. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody have a good Saturday. um, Peace. See you guys next time. Take care.